a wonderful time. This was a new experience. Never really had anything like this before. The fish was delicious.
Okay, so Uncle Chip is digging out the hole.
Really good.
And real good and hard.
And stiff.
Stick them.
Yeah man, Uncle Chip I deal with the lobster, you see me? Yeah man, see there?
You like the fire? Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
That's all about.
Don't be about my job.
Welcome to the channel. You said no, son of God. You do it? Yes. Then we never know you're
Come with the butter, uncle.
Yeah man, so today we are going to roast some fish. Yeah man, file paper style.
Yeah man. See we come visit with them.
And the fish are roast. Coconut oil?
Yeah.
Coconut oil. The giddy. I think the giddy.
Come on, 10 pot good.
10 good. 10 for around good. Because that uncle.
That's a code.
Uncle and him baby here. So we're there.
Hello.
Say hello to the camera.
Shy man.
Daniel say hi to the camera.
Yeah,
Try
man,
out to
big
do.
up on yourself, isn't it?
Yeah man, like, share and subscribe. So subscriber them come link up with us, so we now go see what I go on. Definitely. Cooking, no vibes. Anytime when ready man, you just feel free man. Link up in the inbox or something. See what them do before? Come on, them there with them.
So hello. Yeah, now come with me to them. I left here to the grandmother. Mini chip. Huh? Yeah. Alright.
Say hello to the camera. Alright. Yeah man, that can work Daniel. That can work. Daniel has done a good job.
You did an excellent job.
Daniel did a good job. Everybody do a good job because Daniel got a box. He's got a box.
Daniel, you did an excellent job here.
Super, fix it properly. You have to decorate the man work.
Super excellent.
One time I used to work at supermarket, you know? You work in the box. And chef.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. You are. You are. You are.
What are you doing?
She said something what she want.
What you want? You want ping pong? You chop and ping pong. You know the one with the sour?
You are.
Something to see what she want, you know. Something in the box.
This
Where
one.
in the box? Daniel, right? Strong Jamaican guy.
Pull the door thing, kind of weak.
Pull the door for you, yeah man. True.
Daniel's doing a good job.
One, two. Somebody there behind the camera. See them? So we actually hook up and base on our cook.
Good man. Buff Bay Market, so we have pick up some sweet potato. Yeah. Yes.
I swear I will not do that this
A big sweet potato then.
Sweet potato?
Big one then.
This one I find a big one fair. Like the size of?
Come on, the size here now, bad.
And the size of me up
I
here.
like it damage or something.
Eh? You see the same beer in it? See the same beer on that one. Well, you know, like that one there.
You want tomato?
You want to go to 300? You want to go to 3 pounds?
Hold on now. Look, see what is that first.
How much a bun?
How much a bun?
400.
400, so much that?
2.5, so this is 1,000.
Work with it.
Work with that?
Super excellent.
I thank you very much.
200. Cheese. Uncle Chip. Daniel.
By the sea.
By the sea, where sir?
By the sea.
You're eating bun and cheese by the sea. Nice. Alright. She get trouble, you see? So guys, we're out here, man. We're out here. I go kick off something. I'm just stay tuned. See them here? Little ball game, guys. A little ball game.
Yeah man, Uncle Chip, I deal with the lobster, you see me? Like in week still, you see me? Yeah man. Look here, look on the knife back. See ziggy zaggy. Curve it, have it.
It's small. We have small.
Potty knife. I don't know. The camera by the system here. Where are you, bossy?
They are scale on one fish.
Alright, so what kind of fish are you scale
The
now?
one named Kangatoni or Wenchman. Yeah man, or Chinaman.
Yeah man.
Yeah,
China woman.
That one a China woman. This is China woman.
Alright sir.
Name change.
Alright.
Correction.
Yeah man, I see where cheaper going with that. Yeah man, he do a nice, he do an excellent job.
The water off, we cut in a center.
Precise. He use
Precise, because center me deal with.
Yeah man. He do an excellent job this time,
Super,
man.
brother.
Super excellent job.
No, man.
Yeah, that is it. Yeah man, so I'm going to deal with the next one there. And so I'll go on in as well. Ladies and men, so same way.
That's why I forgot first, you know. The best one, I'm a lioness. I'm a lioness. I'm a lioness. I roll.
Oh, that's good. Oh, do something, guy.
Pour it out. Pour it out, you know?
Well, I don't know if the vinegar we are used.
Alright.
It's
too much
soft.
trouble. No, this one is
No
giving
man,
me
that's soft, that's soft.
I'm only one myself. I chew
Soft,
him.
go on.
I chew him have it. Alright, you know.
It's soft, man. It's
See that?
soft.
I chew him have it.
It's soft. Soft. Putty knife.
Special blend season we have, right? Mixed with a little Maggi.
Sure, we see. You could see. Now we see season name. So the type season we use.
Yeah, special blend.
Yeah, this one is Maggi.
Spinning. We not see name.
We not show them.
We not show them.
And this is our special blend. We not show them.
Alright. Yeah man, cheat there so I go and get the fire paper ready with them meanwhile.
Yeah man, the breeze on. No, me have breeze.
Breeze heavy, you know.
It's done? Breeze on. No, man.
Yeah man, see there? I say perfectly seasoned up.
Piece of butter right off of there.
Yeah, man, me that look for.
Perfectly seasoned, you see it? Yeah man, see chip there. Drop it in the butter.
Remember, like and share the video, you know. And if you want experience like this, you always can contact us on the page.
Yeah man.
Yeah man. WhatsApp number then did and email did it.
Yeah man.
And message with on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, you name it.
Yeah, that's it.
For every platform.
Every platform, you see me? And then again, on the don't forget to subscribe. You see me? All who don't subscribe, you see it? And turn on the notification bell so as the video drop, the video just pop up, you see me? And see it same time. Come on. You see that now, man? Slice.
Yeah man, so you can get the season to soak in. First we do it on a little bit of rush. Yeah man, so you can marinate easier. Quick and fast, you understand?
That's it. Coach it roll up.
I'm gonna roll this again.
Man, eat a second course, guys.
The juice, you know how we say juice.
Nothing now, wait.
The juice is going to lay down in your back.
Yeah man, the juice only strong in your back, I don't know normal.
The doctor can't take care of it.
Natural Viagra, natural.
One thing I have to take care of.
Yeah.
No, tell me.
Stick?
Yeah, no, the breeze.
So stand up here, so come. Don't make me look like a punk now, you know.
No, you know I make you look like a punk. Much as your first time.
Don't make me look like a punk.
Much as your first time, you know I make you look like a punk.
3 days ago.
Oh, but me not see it.
No, go on again. Try again.
And today, it is 90 outside.
Go on again. At the breeze, you know.
Hold
At the
on.
breeze, man.
As to why you're getting
You know, go blaze up for me.
You know I'm listening.
Yeah, do it there.
with you. I looked through your gym bag
Light
and
and
your
on, though.
car, and
Okay.
I
Hold on,
found
let me, hold on.
my car, so I got my own.
Right, yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's kind of awkward.
I breathe bad, you know.
Okay, my finger burning.
I'm a light now when you do this.
Nasty.
I don't know can I flame everyone. When I bad one.
Hold on.
Put it back now.
Eh? Put it on top of it?
No, not yet. Hold on. The light somewhere, yeah. She do an excellent job.
Super, talk to her real good.
Super.
Talk to her and don't talk.
Okay, yeah.
Super, super.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So put the
see them?
charcoal now?
Not yet. You like the fire? Give her a high five. Give her a high five. Hey! Fire blaze! Never know no one stone. Big stone. You never know no one big stone.
No big stone around here. So you already know.
Yeah man, I measure your weight, you see me?
The width? The what?
The length. Yeah man. So, cut couple of this. We drop it on here so now. Light the fire go down here so we are going to put the lobster them on here so. Yeah.
No, I still know it's like you saw.
I dig out.
You can't come
Make
so
it
I
burn
take you.
Let me show you this way.
You can't come so. Yeah.
Hold apart then. If
You
you say,
understand
no,
what?
if you say you're hot, hold apart then.
Me not this hard, me not hard.
Down in there, so I never want to sink just rest down in there.
The other side is stone and a flatter. Are good.
No, wait. Let me see.
Yeah man, taste, so the finishing look here. Not actually finished look, but yeah. So we are going to know we catch up the fire on here. And then we'll put the lobster and the fish in a foil paper on top. Now we'll see all of that one. Daniel there do a super excellent job.
And the reason why I do this, so when we put the lobster them on this, then I roll off. So I'm just use the sand to help hold them.
As a tie shield it.
Yeah, like me a tie. Yeah.
No, we know. But you said I go roll.
God no. I'm not telling you, I never want to come up with that idea there just now. Yo, Daniel, come here. Who does, man? We have to give them a props deserve, man.
Come now, try on it.
Yes, sir.
What? Fire!
A ramp with fire, you know.
Take it with that. Then it comes on.
Come on, push on there, so.
There's some more coal to it.
Some more coal?
Yeah.
So we are going to do now, we are using the sun and build up as a eye.
Ah,
Or we can put, yeah, we are using the sun.
yeah, man.
I don't know what more things.
You have to teach him.
I'm not doing that like no.
This is eat and a bad, but the breeze are taking too much time, so we want to lock off this.
Ease up it.
Give me the box there.
That's 50 cents.
Give me the box and my sister.
No, we don't want, no, we want the natural. Bring up no fire come. What? See idea what they want to pay? My background feels the breeze. See all this fire catch up now and I go and bad run here so.
Excellent job.
Excellent job, yeah man.
Super excellent.
Good. Go on a full work. Nice. grill outside. A mountain of sun here, we put here so that the breeze now blow out the cold falls and the heat will come up better.
Yeah man, Daniel do an excellent job, man, clean up. One move the fire, one move this guys, it's a blowout guys. Yeah man, and look underneath here guys. Beautiful. Outdoor. Yeah man, outdoor grilling.
I'll show some of this on then.
Yeah man, it's a blaze, you know. It's a blaze, wicked.
Look on the other side. Look on the other side. Hey. You can put this until you come to about best.
No, not so much. You know, I'm burning them up, you know.
No man, you see too much to eat that come
Alright.
so that's some temple people on the side.
Alright. Go on, move this thing. Let me move this. Right out. Hold this up.
Daniel, watch it. Yeah man, come here man, early.
Watch out, fire!
Come now, don't put something on it.
Close, I think I left.
Put it back
Breeze,
on.
you know.
Where you go now that?
Green. All of them green and winter tree, they're probably no Uncle Chip. What you do?
You know man, you can't find dry piece up there.
Uncle Chip. Winter, you know. Winter, you know, Uncle Chip.
Look at chip guy look dry stick.
No.
Try one.
I dry wood in same I look like one.
A dry wouldn't say look. Alright. Well, in bad too, in bad camera, watch it. Man swing from tree to tree. Claim say in bad, you know.
From what to what?
Wood to wood.
Alright.
Yeah, that good.
America.
That good.
When you're wrapped up in my arms, dancing to a reggae song.
Right, how we done it. Where's it going?
That protect you, you know. They had what? Excellent job.
Super.
Excellent job.
People, when I see what going,
Wow,
the man then left the car. That's what they use.
yeah, man. A survival.
We're not ambitious.
Survival. Survival.
Everything tough.
And
I
alone.
don't know still.
I can't, who do know? That's why I say and no. I can't do nothing and no.
Right.
I'll
So
give
the
you
next one
something.
can
Put
go
the
in the
other one.
fire.
Let me
Put
give
in
you
here. I could give him something to do. Put in the other one in the pot. You're full of that more. Come here. I go see if you're great.
Yeah, man, full of motor. This can go and shut.
Where you shot?
Yeah, man.
Come, cause you serve like a butter.
So,
You look at them golden. Them that go straight up foreign to one of my subscribers.
you see all the little water?
Come, put in
Nice,
a pot
you know?
without that mouth. Put in a pot and see all about it. Big head boy.
Pot for that, man, I'm told him. Teach me a teach me.
That's roasting sometimes, you know, guys. You see him? His name Daniel. Here in town, people, thanks for watching and he ever soft. I want soft voice in him.
Super soft.
Look
Him,
what.
soft. I never have pink lip.
Yeah, but look at them pink lip guys.
Yo, I want to do the way that.
Look at
Super nice.
So I throw some more oil in the pot and all.
Take off.
No, we
Nah,
put
bro.
more oil in it.
No man, the coal no level. Take it out.
Yeah, man, a little bit of oil, a little more oil in it. God Jesus, watch them now.
Come on, peeps. So this is Barra. Well seasoned around.
You want me to use this?
I want to name test.
Come on. Continue, Daniel, rock. Good, you know?
Yeah, man,
You rock it good.
not for years.
Hold on, easy. Solid, hold on, easy. You can hold it on. You can hold it to end, hold on. You can hold it to end. But easy up, no. Easy up and hold it.
Oh, for her, man.
You know,
Okay.
it's the tools, that's what makes the babies.
Sure.
That's
Sure.
blackfish. That is the blackfish. I want to chill.
Yeah, man. I first we actually I roast them one here. The one here named Goggle Eye. First. Yeah, man.
Wow, look at this.
Outdoor style.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
That's next place, man.
Oh, wow. That looks really good.
Super good.
Super, man. A little bit of the
Jellyfish,
too.
right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
See,
some
I know
juice.
that.
So want you test out the one there?
Yeah.
Oh, no one.
Here, me.
Yeah.
See there.
Oh, she's having try?
No.
Try.
Oh, man. No good.
No, China never have it like this.
No,
Oh, more the pan. Yeah, more the
Oh
pan.
my
Like this
gosh,
one?
this is
Yeah,
so
same like that
good.
one.
This is so good.
super good.
You see?
So good.
You see already?
Yes.
Oh, but you are super good.
Super good.
Hey, nobody tell the people on YouTube by the time then.
Yes,
No.
good.
Let me taste it first.
But I
Before you
did
give a
taste it.
comment.
Yeah.
I did taste it. Look,
Let me taste it. Hold on.
it's really good. You guys are amazing.
But they look like they might get warm. Yeah, these are the back fish.
Shake it round
Back,
as well.
no. Okay. Barracuda. Barracuda! So, she loving it. You can see, look on the bone now. Look on the bone of the plate.
You want to eat the head?
You gotta eat everything.
Yeah, good, you know.
You gotta eat everything.
Straight
It's
to the
so
back, you
good.
know.
You think today I'm going to eat that time I'm going to take it?
Oh! I got you. You need your bar and the plate there, you need
thank
not
you.
this one. Alright, you can have it there. Hold on,
you can
mind
put
the
it
burner.
here, right
Mind the
beside.
burner.
That's mine.
Oh.
Yes. Thank you.
It's how time
Yep. Nice. If you don't want to link, if you don't want to adventure here, just link up. This is Barra, look at it. Yeah, man, peeps. So here so we have the sweet potato. So we're gonna fry it up.
Yeah, man, because guess what? Not like the sweet potato.
Sweet.
I want to
man.
know though.
Okay, so Uncle Chip is digging out the hole
Really good.
and real good and hard.
And stiff.
Yeah, he's doing it real good. And he's trying to keep the fire burning. Because if the fire goes out, then we won't reach our climax to get the lobster out. And we need to get the climax to get the lobster out so we can gratify ourselves and
Correct.
satiate our appetite.
Correct.
So Here we go. There goes Uncle Chip.
Excellent job.
Doing an
Super
excellent
excellent.
job.
Sorry, super excellent.
Super
Yeah, man, I'm
excellent
prepared
job.
himself.
Yeah, super excellent job. Yeah, so he just put the pot cover over so that it could, what did you say again? Like put the pot cover over because of what?
Steam, to chop the steam.
So Uncle Chip wants it moist, so he put the pot cover. Oh, it fell off. It went off.
No, it's good.
Okay. He wants it moist, so he actually put the pot cover over it so we could have it moist. So when we're swallowing it, it's really tasty. So,
I hope you plan on cutting out all of that.
okay. Alright.
Tell her she do a good job.
Yeah, man, tell her she do a good job.
If she do a good job.
I'm going to start video with it because she details something.
Yeah, man, she fine tune. Fine tune.
Oh, you hear that? Oh, yeah.
Plastic park I do the trick. Hold on, it's hot.
The market the other day, right?
Yeah, okay.
No, man.
No, that's alright. Yeah, man, so I go out and try something new.
Okay.
First, I try this.
Straight over in a Connecticut. No bubble double. I mean, no, I eat them now. No, I eat not even one. When it reach up,
No, when him eat this, then we eat it back.
That's so bad. Straight in the back this dog.
yeah, man, I straight in the back.
No, yeah, go put it. Yeah.
You don't have any juice.
Natalie,
Yes, there.
you give us up.
You know one thing where for you and I don't go say, my husband hear this and just say, boy, oh boy, no stop.
Natalie,
She not change.
That's my wife.
Nothing get me.
Oh, him? No, me no want him get beat.
No, I mean, I get no beat.
You will get but in your head. It coming like when Daniel come. Mr. Daniel afraid to come in here with me. We don't rape cat, you know? Daniel said, okay, alright.
Okay, me tell you about this
That's
Sam.
all
Yeah,
they
I saw in Sam. Sam, look for them around that smile.
Tell him say we don't rape cat. Yeah, pull it. Oh, yeah, pull it. Go ahead and pull it.
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
okay.
Come on, and you have lens to this up.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah. Can I have? Oh, let me try. Oh. 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 Okay.
Nice, don't it?
Super nice. Exquisite style.
very, very nice. Thank you.
I'm going to get back to my field.
Me know enough. Mr. Me tell you enough. Mr. Me go tell you enough. And me I say, you know, me make she get the kids. Because
And that's what it's
That's what you do with me all the time.
You know what happened?
wow.
I don't know who did this, but it never split correctly.
Oh my
Like
god.
that side just split.
Oh, okay.
No, you price this is.
No.
You know why you price this?
No. Big eating.
So lobster sweet?
Lobster sweet.
Lobster sweet, man.
Don't be about my job.
Look how I get none.
Mind drop.
Determined, man.
Yo. You never want to jump this one. See it no. Evidently there. Now we have it for record.
So we have the here, so we are put it in there, so we put the potato in there and cover it up. Make it steam. So we go straight in our back muscle. And after we sun it.
Make the good.
Make an ear space. So that breathe through ears. So. Yeah, poppy, like it. The waves, the way up the fire, look here. We have a diggy one. It's done, man.